Welcome to 2 Birchwood Terrace in Prospect. I'm Dave Jones with Dave Jones Realty. This just under 1,700 square foot, 3-bedroom, 9-room, 1.5 bath, super spacious split level has everything you're looking for. There is an unlimited amount of storage space, a fully fenced in great yard, hardwood floors, a gas stove in the kitchen. There is a fireplace. There's huge walk-in closets. There's a generator hookup, central air. There's updates, enormous driveway. So when you have everybody visiting, there's actually a second driveway. There's a pergola, there's a patio. And what about the location? You're right across the street from Hotchkiss Field. You can walk to everything in the center of town. Walk and get pizza, walk to the park, walk to the grocery store or CVS. You are here in the middle of it all, but let's stop wasting time. Let's go see. So now that we are inside, you will appreciate the beautiful hardwood floors. This room is giant. You can fit the whole family at the holiday dinners. You have room for a dining area here, your formal living room, your relaxation living room, with the big updated kitchen straight ahead of me. You also have a wood burning fireplace behind me, a great bay window looking out on your second driveway. There's also one of those amazing wood pergolas out back on the patio that overlooks your fully fenced in large yard, perfect for your pets, or just for playing soccer with the family on a weekend. I can't wait to show you the bedrooms upstairs. This is just under 1,800 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 full baths, 9 rooms, plenty of space for everybody, even a partially finished lower level. It is a split level home, and if there's one thing I know about split levels, they go on and on. You have so much room for everything. The bedrooms each have a little bit of a surprise. We're gonna get to that in a minute. But before we get up to the bedrooms, let's go look at this great kitchen where you're gonna be doing all your entertaining. Here in the updated kitchen, you will see the great solid surface counters, a gas stove, a perfect island overlooking your backyard. You will love it. Under cabinet lighting, plenty of cabinet space. The cabinets are even extended into the dining room with even more storage. So up here on the bedroom level of this split, you have 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3. You also have a full bathroom, but the bedrooms have a little bit of a surprise. Let's take a look at what we have going on. So in here, this is probably your primary. It's the largest. You have double closets in front of me, but there is so much more because they're actually utilizing the space over the garage for even more closet space. Let's go see. This finished lower level has all brand new carpets. It's perfect for somebody that maybe wants to do a home-based business. You have another entrance right here. This leads out to the 2-car garage. And directly in front of me, you have the unfinished space as well that has your laundry. It steps down a couple steps and you have a whole nother storage area. There is so much room in this house. It's not one you're gonna buy and instantly outgrow. One of my favorite things is this backyard. Let me paint the picture for you. You just got done cooking on the grill under your unbelievable, huge gazebo. Your family's out playing in the yard. You have everything ready, and what do? Come and get it. Dinner's ready. The yard is absolutely perfect. It's fully fenced in. You have a shed over on the side, which also has super high ceilings. You have that second driveway straight ahead. So when you have all that company visit, you have room for everyone. Do not wait to set up a showing on this house. There aren't a lot of houses this size in this great town of Prospect that come on the market. I'm Dave Jones. I say this a lot. If there's one thing I know, it's real estate. There's one thing I really know, and that's Prospect real estate. I've been a lifetime resident forever, and I'm old. Prospect is an amazing town. You are going to love it. Don't wait on this property. It's not going to last. Call me today. My contact info is here. Get in to see it today.